Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise lesson number 15 in social studies, the solar system and the earth. Okay? So what you know about the solar system? You know, because we already I explained this chapter to you, and this is the revision we are doing. So solar system consists of the sun and 8 planets and their natural satellite. Okay? How many planets are there? There are 8 planets. Okay? Here is star. Star is a huge ball of hot glowing gases. What is star? Star is a huge ball of hot glowing gases. And stars are self-luminous, that is, they generate and give heat and light. Okay? स्टार्स जो होते हैं वो सेल्फ ल्यूमिनस होते हैं, वो जलते रहते हैं और इसी कारण वो लाइट और हीट को जनरेट करते हैं. ओके, हियर इज द सोलर सिस्टम. सो सोलर सिस्टम कंसिस्ट ऑफ द सन एंड 8 planets and their natural satellite. You know, there are 8 planets. See here in this picture. First one here is the sun. Then is Mercury. This is Venus. Third planet is Earth. Fourth is Mars. Then it's Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay. Then here is sun. What is sun? What you know about sun? Sun is a hot ball of gas. Sun is a hot ball of gas. Okay? And it is the largest object of the solar system. Sun is the largest object of the solar system and is located at the center of the solar system. Here you see now, it's located at the center of the solar system. Okay? And this earth has a gravitational pull which makes the planet revolve around it. ठीक है, अर्थ के पास एक ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स है जिसके कारण सारे प्लैनेट्स इसके चारों ओर घूमते रहते हैं. ओके, एंड द स्पिनिंग मूवमेंट ऑफ द प्लैनेट इज कॉल्ड रोटेशन एंड इट्स मूवमेंट अराउंड द सन इज कॉल्ड रिवॉल्यूशन. जो भी प्लैनेट्स 2 तरीके से घूमते हैं, पहला होता है स्पिनिंग मूवमेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड रोटेशन. ओके, जो अपने ही सेंटर पे रह के घूमते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड रोटेशन एंड इट्स मूवमेंट, द प्लैनेट्स मूवमेंट अराउंड द सन इज कॉल्ड रिवॉल्यूशन. और जब वो सन के चारों ओर परिक्रमा करते हैं उसे हम रिवॉल्यूशन कहते हैं. ओके, सी प्लैनेट्स मीन्स ट्रैवलर, वंडरर. जो प्लैनेट्स मीन्स ट्रैवलर, क्योंकि वो सन के चारों ओर घूमते रहते हैं इसलिए उन्हें वंडरर कहा जाता है, ट्रैवलर्स कहा जाता है. अ प्लैनेट इज अ लार्ज सर्कुलर ऑब्जेक्ट मेड ऑफ गैस एंड रॉक that spins like a top as well as move around the sun on a fixed path. ठीक है, तो ये भी जो प्लैनेट्स होते हैं वो गैस और रॉक से बने होते हैं. और जैसे टैप को देखा होगा आपने, टॉप को जो वो घूमता रहता है अपनी ही जगह पे, उसके साथ साथ वो सन के चारों ओर भी घूमते रहते हैं. Here is Mercury. The first planet is Mercury. It is very close to the sun. Okay, so Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, and the temperature of the Mercury is very high because it is very close to the sun. That's why its temperature is very high. Okay, and it spins very slow. Mercury spins very slow. Next one is Venus. It is the second planet from the sun. Venus is the second planet from the sun. Okay, and it is the brightest. Venus, see here, it is the brightest object in the sky, and it is also called the morning and the evening star because it is the brightest object. So that's why it is called the morning and evening star. Okay, and also this planet Venus, it is very close to Earth. Okay, it is called Earth's closest neighbor and it is quite similar to the Earth. Okay, which planet? Venus. Okay, another one is our planet Earth. This is our planet Earth. It is the third planet from the sun. Okay, and it is also called the blue planet because you know there is 70% of water on this planet. That's why it is called the blue planet. Okay, and this planet have all the favorable condition. That's why we are surviving on this earth. Okay, and it is the only planet in the solar system where life exists here on earth. Another one is Mars. Which planet? Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. Okay, this planet, and it is called the red planet because it has huge amount of rusted iron. इसी के कारण इसका जो रंग है वो लाल दिखता है. And it takes 1 day to complete one revolution and 687 days to complete it takes 1 day to complete one rotation. This Mars take 1 day to complete one rotation and 687 days to complete one revolution. Okay, and it is called the red planet. Okay, next one is Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun and it is the largest planet of the solar system. Okay, which planet is the largest planet of the solar system? Jupiter, and it rotates quite fast. Okay, it takes 9 hours and 55 minutes to complete one rotation and 12 long years for one revolution. Understood? Which planet? This Jupiter. Okay, another one is Saturn. It is the sixth planet from the sun and it has rings of gases, dust and rocks around it which make it look very beautiful. Okay, and it completes one rotation in 10 hours. Okay, and it takes 30 years to complete one revolution. Which planet? Saturn. Another one is Uranus. Okay, and it is the seventh planet from the sun and it is a bluish in color. It has also a ring. Here, when you will see the picture of this Uranus, you will find a thin line. See, this is a ring of this planet. Okay, and it is a bluish in color. It spins on its side, and this planet Uranus takes 18 hours to complete one rotation, and while 84 years to complete one revolution. The last planet is Neptune. It is the eighth planet from the sun. And it appears like a big blue balloon. See, the color of this Neptune is blue color. So that's why it is called a blue balloon. And it takes 16 hours to complete one rotation and 164 years to complete one revolution. Okay. Then after satellites. What is satellite? Satellite means a small object that revolves around the planet in their fixed orbit. Okay, all satellites revolve around the planets. See, the number of satellites of different planets. See, Mercury, no satellite. Venus, no satellite. Earth, 1. Mars 2, Jupiter 67, Saturn 62, Uranus 27 and Neptune 14. Okay. So satellites are small objects that revolve around the planets in their fixed orbit and they reflect the light of the sun, and moon is the only satellite of earth. Okay. Moon is the only satellite of earth. एंड सैटेलाइट्स दो तरीके के भी होते हैं, एक होता है नेचुरल सैटेलाइट और एक होता है मैन मेड सैटेलाइट, बट मून इज द नेचुरल सैटेलाइट ऑफ अर्थ. ओके, Moon is the Earth only satellite. It is the fifth largest natural satellite in the solar system. Which moon? Moon is the fifth largest natural satellite in the solar system. Moon is rocky and has big holes. Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin were the first to reach the moon in year 1969. Okay? And the last one is our Earth, a unique planet. Our Earth is a unique planet. Life exists on Earth because of this presence of air, presence of water, distance from the sun, shape, size and surface of the Earth. These all features make our Earth favorable. That's why life exists on this planet. Okay? The presence of air, the presence of water, distance from the sun and shape, size, surface of the earth. Okay, so here we have completed this chapter. You just prepare all the things whatever given in the exercise. Take the correct option, answers the following question, fill in the blanks, true, false and match the columns. Okay, prepare. Okay.